Hello, my name is Tanika Burke. I came from the UK to get my teeth done by Letsmile Turkey regarding getting a smile makeover. I've had implants done, I've had crowns done, and the procedure has been great. The procedure has gone really great. I'm really happy with my smile, as you can see. They arranged my hotel arrangements. Everything was included in that, including the hotel transfers. And yes, the procedure's been excellent. I'm so happy with Letsmile Turkey. Brilliant.
Trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear.